The moon's hidden internal structure.
Beneath the moon's familiar face lies a complex internal structure that scientists are only now beginning to understand, and it's far more active than anyone expected. Modern research has revealed that the moon's internal structure resembles Earth's in miniature, featuring a solid inner core surrounded by a partially molten outer core. The inner core measures approximately 240 kilometers in radius and consists primarily of iron, while the outer core extends to about 350 to 360 kilometers from the moon's center. This structure was confirmed through analysis of Apollo seismic data and recent gravitational studies conducted by NASA's Grail mission. Billions of years ago, this core system generated a significant magnetic field, evidence of which exists in lunar rock samples brought back by Apollo astronauts. As the core cooled over geological time, this magnetic field weakened and eventually disappeared, leaving the moon without the protective magnetic shield that guards Earth from solar radiation. However, the core didn't simply shut down, it appears to be experiencing final phases of activity that modern instruments are now sensitive enough to detect. The recent seismic pulse suggests that the moon's interior is still undergoing significant changes, challenging the long-held assumption that our satellite is geologically dead.